All right, it's that time of year again, and we are ready to get our tree up. It's not Thanksgiving yet, but my daughter is really excited to get festive. We're gonna be out of town during the week of Christmas, and so we wanna get our decorations up sooner rather than later so we can enjoy them before we leave town. So I thought I would bring you along with me to show you what I'm doing. I'm getting to decorate those shelves, those pipe bracket wood shelves that I built for the first time for a holiday season. So I'm excited to have the potential to have a surface to do a little Christmas village. So I hope you guys enjoy. hope that was fun. I have not done the ornaments yet on the tree. I'm kind of debating whether I should do my whole spiel and like, you know, add in my big ornaments, then my smaller ones, and my specialty, and go through the whole method because it takes some time, or if I should just let the kids go wild and decorate it however they want, or just leave it alone. I do like the sparseness of it, the way it is, and you know, it's flocked and lit up and it's reflected into the mirror, and so it's really cute the way it is. So maybe I'll update you guys on what I end up doing. But this was my quick, in one day I wanted to do Christmas decorations, and if I feel like it, maybe I can do more later. But yeah, this is what we got done and it was fun. So I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and we'll see you next time. Bye.
I have to go potty.